Hello my dear students, today we are going to see the important formulae of your chapter mensuration, and first shape that we have to see here, cuboid. So cuboid have three parameters like the length, breadth and height. There are three important formulae related to cuboid, and these are total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Then we have to see the lateral surface area. What is meant by lateral surface? Only vertical faces, area of vertical faces. That is called lateral surface area. This roof and floor, they are not considered in the lateral surface area. Then what is lateral surface area? That is 2 in bracket L plus B into H. Alright. After that, the important one, that is the volume. Volume is a space occupied by cuboid, that is called volume here, and that is given by formula L into B into H. Most important thing, when we are measuring the area, we have to use units, square unit here. And while measuring the volume, we have to use the cubic unit. Alright, so this is cuboid. Now, next figure is cube. What is meant by cube? Cube is a cuboid whose all edges are of equal length, and they are denoted by letter M. क्या बोला मैंने? क्यूब एक ऐसा क्यूबॉइड है जिसके सभी एजेस कैसे होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं. तो पहला फॉर्मूला रहेगा टोटल सरफेस एरिया. क्या होता है? 6L स्क्वायर. बाद में होता है लैटरल सरफेस एरिया which is 4L स्क्वायर. And most important, the volume of cube is L cube. Over. Let's move on. Third figure is cylinder. Cylinder have basically three surfaces. Two are circles, which is called cross-sectional area of cylinder, and this one is the curved surface. So there are three formulae we have to do for cylinder. The first one, curved surface area. What is this? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Second one, total surface area, 2 pi R in bracket R plus H. And last is the volume, that is pi R square H. One more thing you have to remember. Center to center distance of these two circular faces here, it is called axis of cylinder. What we call it as axis of cylinder. Now we are doing the formulas related to cone. See here, this is cone. In a cone, there are three lengths we have to remember. First is axial height here. This is radius, and this is what? Slant height. So we have to do four important formulae. First one is the slant height, which is nothing but square root of R square plus X square. Then curved surface area of cone, that is pi R. Then total surface area of cone, which is pi R in bracket L plus R. And after that, the volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now, let's begin with a new figure that is called sphere. In a sphere, only one length we have to remember, that is the radius of sphere. And for sphere, we have two important formulae, that is surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi R square. And volume of sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi R. Now, student, this is the last shape we have to remember here, which is called hemisphere. In a hemisphere, there is again we have to measure only length, and with the help of radius, we have to do three formulae. Curved surface area. What is curved surface area? That is 2 pi R square. Now, total surface area, that is 3 pi R square, and finally that is volume of hemisphere, which is 2 by 3 pi R cube. So these are the formulae related to it.